Hello and welcome to my channel.
Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're well because I'm doing fantastic. So right now I'm here in Adabraka, right? So I'm here in Adabraka. I'm heading to the drone hub because guys, I'm buying a drone for myself. There's a really long story to it, right? This was actually supposed to be my birthday gift for myself, but like I said, like something happened and I was not able to get it and a whole lot of stuff, but I'm going to tell you about that later. I'm going to pick it up, and then right after I'm going to learn how to fly the drone for the very first time, so that's also coming up. I will leave here and then meet Eyram, Dela. We're going somewhere here. Drone hub left. Yeah, okay, so I'll be here, look. Oops. Oh damn. Anyway guys, my driver is misbehaving. We'll talk later, okay? So let's get inside drone hub. Let's go.
Okay, I'm here, and guys, I've got to let you know, in case you want to buy your drone any kind and size, in case you want to do drone maintenance, you want to buy drone parts, Drone Hub is the trusted place to come to here in Ghana. Like, they got amazing deals. So I'm going to make sure to leave their contact number and email details, whatever you need, in the description box. Okay, call them up and get your drone. Yeah, I'm actually letting somebody teach me this afternoon.
Everything you're seeing.
Oh, by the way, guys, meet Judith. Judith, right? Yeah, excellent customer service. Like, I must say, it's been telling me something.
These are DJI Mini 2.
Okay.
So this is a fly more combo package where you have the aircraft remote controller, a shoulder bag, 3 batteries, a charging hub, and your propellers. So these are extra propellers. You already have what to fly with it on the drone.
This is extra. Wow, how cool.
So in case you lose them or they get broken, you can easily replace with
Nice one. And you also fix drones
we do
here,
drone repairs.
Okay.
We do after service. That's if you want to service your drone.
Okay.
Maybe there's nothing wrong with the drone, but after using it for a couple of times, you want to just
like
bring
maintenance
it in,
or something.
and servicing. We do all that as well.
Okay.
We do all that as well. So, and we have all accessories for the drone. So if in future you still want to get more batteries, we can get you extra batteries.
Okay. All right.
Batteries.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Carry it to the car.
Came with a card.
Yes. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much. Perfect, guys. As you can see, I just got my drone, right? And I'm going to meet Eyram Dela with it. And then right after, we will learn to fly.
I just remembered there are a few things I have to buy. I have to get an SD card. I think he has not asked me, right? No, that's something I should get. So I'm going to get that. Also, I don't know how we're going to go about the charging before I use it and all of that. But I'm sure, he's a pro. So once I meet him, I'm sure we'll figure something out.
So this is the DJI Mini 2.
But I need a case, right?
Oh, this is it.
Really?
This is it.
Guys, I'm so excited. Like, I don't even know what to do myself.
And then the accessories.
I don't know jack.
So what we have here. We have Type-C charger. We have ports.
Okay.
And then we have the battery and packs.
Okay, because I was going to ask, if battery is that big?
Okay. So it has 3 batteries.
Is this?
Charging, I guess.
Right.
Then what else do we have here? Manual.
Is that? This is it. Okay.
Alright, so this has no.
Okay.
Just for some time.
Hey guys, so I told you where I was coming, right? And I'm here to see Eyram Dela. Okay, so the whole matter is that I got a drone for myself, okay, as a birthday gift to myself. You know, I celebrated my birthday on 9th May, but it's today that I got the drone, and I'm here at his place thanks to Stella Chanelli for hooking me up. Shout out Stella. And so I'm gonna have him introduce himself and tell us about his channel.
Hello everyone, what's up? My name is Eyram Dela. I'm a travel and lifestyle YouTuber based in Ghana. I make videos about traveling within Ghana and Africa and that. So feel free to check out my channel and subscribe.
Thank you. And today you are going to show me how to fly my drone for the very first time.
The DJI Mini 2. Trust me guys, watch out for the kind of content.
I don't even know what to do. Wait, is it DJI Mini?
No, you can still call it Mini 2 though.
Okay.
So watch out for the kind of content she's going to be bringing out. Massive.
Yay!
So check it out and stay tuned.
Thank you. So guys, we're gonna do this, okay? I got this and the rest of it, okay? But you're gonna see now I have to change the phones because I'm gonna use this very phone to fly, and then I'll use this, so the quality is gonna come down a bit, okay? So pardon me for that. So now we go. So I've just done this. I was told to put the phone in the controller, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
that's just what I've done.
Great. So the next step is to this is the DJI. No, this is not the DJI app. So go to the DJI app, DJI Fly app. Yes. And then I'll power.
Do we
up.
need internet?
No, you don't need internet.
Oh, okay. Cool.
There's a lot of things you have to do right now.
Oh my god!
Which I forgot. No, because first of all you need to sign up for DJI Fly. I mean, you need to sign up for DJI their services. Okay. So you just click on connect to aircraft. And click on DJI Mini 2. Always before you turn on your let it always be normal. Okay, so it's shift to normal here, and then to power up you press it once, once and then twice, but then the twice will have to be longer, so 1, 2. Okay, so you hear that?
Okay, got it.
You good?
Yeah.
Alright, so hold this.
What it says?
The next thing is to turn on the drone, but before you turn on the drone you need to remove the safety cap on the camera.
Okay.
Alright, so I thought you have to remove that anyway, so kindly do that. You guys are getting free classes. Alright, so the next thing, to power it up, just like the same way we did it this way. Remember the same mode at which we turn on. So you turn it upside down, you do one click and then fast.
Okay.
So you get that sound. Now drop it.
Okay, guys, so we just set it on the floor, and I just put it on right now.
Sometimes when you're flying your drones, right, because this area is around the airport, we have what we call authorizations. So there are certain places that your drone will never take off no matter what because it's close to the airport. But then due to Ghana's weak security system, you'll be able to unlock it. It's not really weak, but then you'll be able to unlock it. Now, to take off, first of all, everything is being set, but to take off, there are 2 ways of taking off. Either you click on this button where you're recently need to take off, and then you just tap on it, or you hold both joysticks diagonally, so you're going to do it. When it happens like that, you click on the top, right, and then you wait. So you click on activate. So I want you to enter your phone number, search for Ghana. For those of you who are late and you have not you have not checked in as of now, we are about to take off. And so we are heading straight to Namibia.
I agree.
Alright, so I agree.
Okay.
Alright, so they're going to take off slowly, right? So we're going to use this slowly. Now leave it in this area. Leave it just one. So anytime you are flying you take off to some point of interest. You can stop and then you go back around that point.
Really? As long as
Yes. So right now we want it to take off so that we can land in the air because we can't land around these areas, right? So take off like way more. So keep going up. Keep going up, don't worry. Now with full force.
Are you sure?
Alright, this area is okay now.
Are you good?
Alright, so now I want you to watch out the picture.